Oh, Mr. Beat. Today we're taking out that filthy sock. We are undoing all this, and we're taking out the why isn't it coming off? We're taking out the fuel pump. The gas is gonna come out, isn't it? Hard line, that's the reason we're not buying a new one of these is because a new one is $1,600. So there's a very clear reason why we're not buying a new one of those. So instead I got a $40 fuel pump. Okay, so let's put this in. Oh, Jesus. Oh, man. Yeah. Yeah, that'll, I reckon that'll be the problem right there. Oh my God. And I'll tell you right now, that does not smell like gasoline. Oh yeah, drop it. So she's kind of cleaning up nice, and I got my first glimpse of anything. This thing was caked. Smaller than that, huh? Wow. 7 mil. Harness for here. I was like that. Got myself a positive and negative. Got some sort of this side sock. And a couple of hose clamps. Sorry, not a sock, a sheath. This would be the sock right there. And a brand new length of hose. I need to salvage that. That's my whole pickup system right there. So, this looks like a pipe bomb, but it's not. It's the fuel pump, all nicely put into place, nice and snug, top and bottom. New sock is on, all the pipes cleared, and everything is ready to go back in, but we have to, oh, there's the chimes. We're losing light. We're losing light. We're not going to do this tonight. I don't have a garage yet. I'm outdoors. It's finally not hot, which is good, but we're going to finish this up another night because we actually have to drain the gas tank, and we'll be right back with you, though, so don't worry about that. And we're back at it, just like that. So, got my pipe bomb going to put down here just for a second, because I remember I got this a while ago. This is a generic two-way pump. So I'm going to use it to siphon the gas out of the tank because it's super old into this disgusting tin, and I'll just access it directly through the hole where the fuel pump will go. So drained all my gas. Took several containers. It was much more than I thought. So I'm going to let these rags evaporate for a little bit and then bag them up and safely dispose of them. Let's fill some good gas now. So I'm just plugging this back in just for a second because we have to test to see if it primes. Let's hear it. Got it. So I tested my evap canister. Seems to be passing air through. I shot air in both sides of the tank side and the purge side, and fumes came out. So Gonna put this back in, and if this causes a problem later, I'll switch it out for something else. It's on there. That's clean. Let's review, shall we? Fuel filter, both lines successfully on. Evap canister, both lines on. Coming around to the top. The pickup with the fuel pump is on, hard line, loose line, and we have both of these harnesses that we're going to plug in right now. So 1 and 2, and we confirmed that the fuel pump, although did not actually drink any fuel yet, is at least priming under accessory. Well, I just sprayed gas everywhere because I tightened this bolt. I didn't tighten the top hat bolt, so fuel sprayed everywhere. But that's a good sign, because that means the fuel pump is working. We charged to 45%. Just gonna throw this on and give it another crank. One last ride. All right, keeping an eye on the gas here. Smells like gas. Jeez Louise. Okay, let's crank it. Come on, start it up. Primed, not spraying. Oh, please, come on. Is it spraying gas everywhere? Nope. We're dry. Oh, you leaking? No, I thought I saw something. Come on, turn over. Turn over, turn over, turn over. Give me something here. Okay, electrical. Well, after 5 days of swapping the fuel pump, checking all the lines, clearing the evap canister, checking the fuel filter, got gas in there, battery's good, it's probably not fuel. This good thing is sitting in my yard and I got nowhere to go on this, because I'll tell you, man, I'll tell you, if I had somewhere to be, I'd be steamed. All right, well, it doesn't seem to be the fuel, because it has fuel, unless I have to crank it till the cows come home to get enough gas in there for it to fire, but there should be enough in those lines to at least get some sort of combustion. So back to testing the rest of it, I suppose.